TCP flooding attack, or TCP IP attack. I'm going to be demonstrating actually step one, which is the SYN flooding attack. As you can see, I have my server virtual machine here. This is my attacker VM, and this is actually my client VM. So the first thing that you'll need to do for this attack is actually turn off the SYN cookies, because it's in order to have this attack be successful, SYN cookies need to be off. If not, this is going to prevent a SYN overflow attack. So to do that, you'll just type in the following command: TCP_SYN cookies equals 0, which means it's off. If this was a 1, it'll be turned on, and it's off. Now, a cool thing is that we can do netstat-tna, and as you can see here, all the ports are listening at the moment, so nothing is connected. But if we go here, we do telnet-10-0-0-7, and let's run that command again. You see here that this port, which is our client VM, actually established a TCP connection with our server VM. So we can close this, clear this out, and let's exit here again. So now we'll go to our attacker VM, and what we're going to do, we're going to run the netwalks command, which this is actually going to allow us to send multiple SYN packets towards our server VM. So we'll just type in the following command, and then we'll type in our IP address of our server, or whatever your server VM is. P means port 23-S, and then we're sending raw packets. And then the cool part, once we hit go, I forgot, you gotta add sudo. There we go. So this means that it's actually running. So what we can do is actually run this command here, and this right here means that it's half opened connection, that we're filling up the SYN QE, and we can actually try to telnet this. And you can see it's trying, but since we're actually keep filling up the SYN QE, it's not gonna allow it to connect. So as long as you have it running, it's not gonna connect at all. But the cool part is that if we run the top command, none of our resources are actually being used. Our CPU, none of it's being used. I mean, seed, but this is the account that we're on actually right now, and it's not using any resources at the moment. So we can just exit. So this is just gonna keep trying, but this is actually the first step in the lab, and I'll see you in the next